Hi, my name is Divyang Rastogi and this is my third video of my learning diary. So today I am again here to discuss about my past 15 days learning in Takshila Business School. So I am starting with my first subject, which is data analytics. In this I learned about data mining, data warehousing, properties of data warehousing, OLAP, which is online analytical processing, learned about relational databases. I also learned about various keys used in normalization, like primary key, foreign key, and a candidate key. We also learned about various methods to smooth noisy data. I also learned about supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning. So this is all about data analytics. Now I come to my second subject, which is human resource management. In this, I learned about various types of selection tools and its uses, as it helps in uncovering the hidden talents. I also learned about process of the orientation, career management, advantages of training, performance management, and various management development programs. So this is all about HR management. Now I come to my third subject, which is critical thinking. In this subject, we analyze a single topic in a 360 view because every person has their different thinking. So, and in this, I also learned about the importance of critical thinking in today's dynamic world. And in this class, we discuss about various topics like farm bill, resettlement of Kashmiri Pandits, and many more. So this is all about critical thinking. Now I come to my fourth subject, which is research methodology. In this subject, we learned how to prepare a research, like the how we can make a hypothesis, how we can use different research techniques, like how we collect data, like the primary data, secondary data, how is the sources of data. So we learned how to prepare abstract, introduction, and analysis, conclusion, acknowledgement. So we learn how to make a research paper. Now I come to my fifth and the last subject, which is advanced marketing. So in this subject we learned about how to do a market research, how to analyze our consumer markets, uh, learned about the marketing funnel, various types of marketing demand, various components of marketing system, and little bit about the consumer behavior and many things. So this is all about my past 15 days learning. So thank you.